Rules, turo ko naman sa inyo kung paano yung pag-request ng tinatawag nilang bonuses. Kasi sa Meta, meron po siyang tinatawag na bonus eligibility program. So first, you go to your Facebook. Once you're already on your Facebook, i-screenshot nyo po yung mga activities nyo. Alright? Just to make sure na ma-screenshot nyo yan. Kasi kakailanganin po natin yan para sa pag-apply ng bonuses, para magkaroon tayo ng bonuses. Based on those requirements, kailangan eligibility at least you're always uploading a Facebook or Reels, okay, just to be give you an idea. And then make sure na yung mga activities nyo i-screenshot nyo yan, pati yung mga yung flow chart ng ano nyo, ng engagement nyo, yung sa dashboard nyo, at the same time yung bonuses, okay, para sa ganon makita ni Meta na meron na pala tayo ni Lolo Meta. Alright, so let's proceed. Kung nakuha nyo na yan, alright, so let's go back on the Facebook. Okay, screenshot nyo rin yung profile nyo para kasi proof po natin yan, kasi they're gonna be like reviewing all of those information na i-share natin kay Lolo Meta. Sila na rin mag-validate lahat nun, okay, to give you an idea. Now once we are ready there, what we have to do is go back, because kailangan natin pumunta dun sa profile natin mismo. So since yung performance, you have to also screenshot para sa ganon magagamit natin yan pag-upload dun sa mga eligibility na kailangan nila, okay. So those are things that you have to remember, okay. Then after that, let's go back, then scroll it down, okay. So alright, so yan, let's skip for that, scroll ulit tayo bababa. So yung help and support, okay. Now report a problem. Alright, now scroll it down, continue, report a problem. Okay, so ito na tayo yung part. As you remember, nag-screenshot tayo ng mga ang goal natin, yung mga engagement natin, okay, yung activities natin kay Facebook. So para makita nyo na talagang active tayo, okay, at the same time makita nyo na talagang we're doing this as for our goal settlers, okay. So everyone wants to be monetized, so choose nyo lang yung Facebook yan, okay, yung profile nyo, and then as you remember, yung mga screenshot i-upload natin yan, okay. That's the first. So pag-upload natin siya kasi yan ang proof natin. Alright, so madali na naman siya gawin, hindi naman siya ganun kahirap gawin mga katropa. You have to be only like screenshot lang yung mga page na yan, okay. If you're using a Facebook, choose your Facebook. If you're using a profile, if you're using a page, choose your page. So that's how it is. So I just create some information, which is those are words na gagamitin ko, or statement na gagamitin ko para mag-request ng applications para ma-approve, kasi meron na tayo sa monetization tools natin but we're not yet allowed para mag-set up. So hopefully by doing these procedures, mag-grant yung access natin ni Lolo Meta, kasi marami ring kita dun sa bonuses na pwede kang kumita sa text, sa photos. So there's a lot of things na pwede mo pagkakitaan, and I want to gain those kind of access for me to at least earn money, even though I'm not yet monetized on 5,000 followers, but on the bonuses, if they were gonna grant me, so it will be a big help, kasi matagal na rin naman tayo nag-Facebook, medyo putol-putol lang ang ating pag-upload because of those certain situation. Okay, so mahirap talaga, but keep on doing what we have to do. Mag-strive tayo na mag-strive. Okay, and that's the only thing na naipapayo ko rin sa inyo. Huwag kayong bibitaw kasi nasimulan nyo na so what is the essence kung nasimulan mo na yung isang bagay tapos iiwanan mo rin, di ba? So you never see what will be the achievement o anong magiging at the end. Lahat naman tayo nagsisimula sa wala. Alright, so since wala ka pang alam, di ka pa marunong, so pagsikapan mo lang. Okay, so yun na naman yung sa akin. If you're gonna take that as an advice, that will be fantastic because it will make your success driven. Okay, so may mga chances, so wag tayo mag-let go kasi nakikita naman natin ang progress. So yan po, mga tinype kong words para isasabit ko yan. And then yung pumunta tayo sa Facebook a while ago, nung nagpunta tayo sa Facebook, rate natin yung 3 hamburger, and then ipipaste natin yung profile natin, yung Facebook profile natin, just to know na tayo talaga ang nag-paste nito. Okay, tayo ang nag-request kasi we already have the button, kaya lang hindi pa siya accessible. So I hope everyone magkaroon ng idea kung paano tayo makapag-apply ng Facebook bonuses, and that way everyone's gonna have a chance to earn kasi naman talaga ang natin. Okay, so thank you mga katropa Reels for keep on watching. Please, if you learn something, follow, comment, like, and share. Really appreciate it. So maraming salamat mga katropa sa pag-review, at sana makatulong pa to sa mga karamihan para makapag-take advantage din man tayo, kumita rin naman. Alright, kasi that's our main goal, kumita. At the same time, who knows if we will have a chance